The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is going to be the 12th outing for the much loved smartphone, but seems like this might be the first time that Samsung is taking a step backwards, and I kind of get it. They are now slowly going to completely erase the normal smartphones into the deep black hole which is called past. Future is going to be the foldables, and that kind of reflects in the first look of the Samsung Galaxy S21. So these leaks are from own leaks and his leaks are very accurate. So this is the Galaxy S21. Yes guys, this is not the Plus and not the Ultra. This is the smallest and the cheapest Galaxy S21. First things first. This back design is very new and I love it. It doesn't look elegant in the images, but I believe in real life it would look super awesome. The superb part is that the camera starts right from the smartphone frame. The frame rises up and continues to become the camera bump, and then it ends in the similar way on the top of the smartphone. We have triple cameras inside the frame, including wide, ultra wide and a telephoto lens. The flashlight is placed outside of the camera square. We have the Samsung logo on the back. Power button and volume buttons are placed on the right hand side. On the bottom we have a USB Type-C slot and the speaker grill. Now let's talk about the display of the smartphone. This is flat. I don't see any curve on the edges. The hole punch is also very small, but the bezels are a bit bigger than what we had on the Galaxy S20. If we keep in mind that the Galaxy S20 series had slightly curved edges, which made the side bezels appear super thin, and because this S21 is flat, it's granted that the side bezels would be a little bit thicker. If you are just gonna talk about the bezels, then yes, the Galaxy S21 has bigger overall bezels than the S20, but rumor has it that the S21 is much more cheaper for Samsung to produce, and if they can pass those savings to the customers, then this slightly bigger bezel is no issue. If you look closely, it's not even the display bezel which is bigger. It is how Samsung has designed the smartphone by having a thicker metallic frame all around the phone, which might also provide better drop resistance, and because of the slightly bigger bezel on top and sides, we now have equal bezels on all of the sides, so it kind of has a silver lining. However, if you ask me which one do I prefer, my answer still is going to be the Galaxy S20. But let's hope that only the Galaxy S21 is having the flat and the big bezel display. Hopefully S21 Plus and the Ultra will be much more premium looking. Well, let me know guys your thoughts about these slightly bigger bezels, and what about this new back camera design. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. You can hit the like button if you enjoy this new design. Follow me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.